Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked amazing profit. Today was amazing volatility again and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Amazing trade guys. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing pips. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour, as mentioned in my previous analysis review, if you haven't seen the video, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So we were looking this breakout. So previously price action is giving us the false breakout, which is the sign of sort of like a direction upside, but we need a confirmation. This morning we had, as soon as the price broken, we had this long trade here. We were expecting price might going to break this resistance and later on the price reverse. And once we have this candle is developed rejection, we were expecting might going to break short trade here. That was the interesting part. We have taken a long trade here. We also taken a short trade here. As soon as the price reversed, then we have taken a long trade here, pullbacks. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, we also have taken a short trade here, counter short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit, help my traders to squeeze amazing pip. And if you look at this morning, okay, let me open my pointer so I can give you. All right, okay, so all right, so this morning London morning session, as you can see here, this is, yeah, as you can see here, around 7:34 London time, just before London open market, I analyze market live and explain to my trader, look for this breakout, which price nicely broken even after the breakout price retest. And we were expecting a long trade here, as mentioned in 4-hour. Let me make it so I can explain to you. Let's say clear. Okay, so we were expecting this price breakout. So this was the breakout here, which price nicely broken. We were expecting a long here and price respected. And afterwards, price came back here and explained to my trader again in intraday, the price reverse. I said, guys, we have false breakout now. If the price is going to break this level or this one, this previous high, then looking a long here or looking a short trade here, then because at that time this candle was performing it, we have seen the rejection on 4-hour at the same time, so we were expecting a continuation. As soon as the price hit and we have a 4-hour candle finish, as you can see here, and explain to my trader it's time to consider banking some pips or move your stop loss at the break even. So afterwards the price reversed, so you can see here. So I said, okay, no problem, let's look at the another entry. We're expecting might gonna break this level. So we have, as soon as the price, as explained to, again, we had the same price action as mentioned in my previous analysis. This was the level we were expecting anyway in the previous. So which this one we have false breakout. That's another good sign for reversal. Price nicely broken after the breakout, price retest, developer double bottom here, and beautiful breakout. As you can see here, even after the breakout we had a pullback. We have taken long trade here, bank some profit. The target was this level, which price nicely hit and banked some profit on Eur Usd, and we keep taking all pullbacks, guys. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level and the 200 EMA, then I explained to my trader this price action live. So we have this price broken, false breakout. So we're expecting here break and retest, and which price did. Safest way, look for this breakout. So as you can see here, price broken. After the breakout, price retest, explain another one. As soon as you can see here, this level as mentioned in the analysis, price developer double top here, and explain to my trader, now guys, momentum still bearish. We have the major resistance, so look for short. We have a beautiful short. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So amazing trade. All right, so pound dollar, we had amazing trade too. And if you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, and yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. We were expecting a pullback at this level, and we were expecting nice short trade here, and we were expecting that because the price looks like a broken this one, and we're expecting some nice rally, and target was this level. As soon as the price hit, we bank some profit as soon as the price hit this level, and afterwards you can see impulsive move. So we did not materialize this impulsive move because, hey guys, just let's see if the price is going to reverse, then look for short trade here as the pullback. So let me share with you guys intraday analysis, how I analyze the entries and exit. Was such a nice beautiful trade this afternoon on the pound dollar. Okay, so this, as you can see here, this was the price action this morning because our buys were short. We can see here yeah, from yesterday. So explained my trade via false breakout, look for another pullback, and then short trade here, which you can see here. Price nicely retest, develop head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit our profit target fib channel, explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards you can see here price reverse. So I say, guys, look here, we have a false. Technically we were expecting a short trade here. Price did not break this orange EMA, so price broken and retest. Let's see, safest way, if the price gonna break, probably gonna be long here, otherwise short here. We can see here price short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain to my traders, time to bank some profit. Price shoot up. You can see here, this is impulsive trade. And that time basically was a lunchtime. I explained to my traders, time to enjoy profit, and let's see at the New York session. So I did this New York session. I explain in more detail because the price was at this major resistance level. We were expecting a pullback here, and that's what I explained. If the price gonna break this level, then long here, otherwise pull back. Safest way, because we have aggressive way and the safest way, which I explained, because we have both type of traders. We have aggressive traders, we have very safe traders. So I explained, look for pullback here. We also pull back long here, which price nicely did. You can see a pullback. But the safest way I explained to my trader, look for this breakout and price, because we were expecting a short trade here because of the 4-hour price action. As soon as price broken, and after the broken, price retest as mentioned in the analysis. And I also mentioned in the analysis through live analysis that I'm expecting a big drop, as you can see here, as mentioned here. What happened after that? Beautiful. And that's why most of the traders really loved this trade. Beautiful trade, because we have 4-hour price action supporting us. We have intraday price action supporting us, because if you look at here, price develop also sideways market, which I did analysis. I also did this analysis. I also did it, but we have taken trade based on this analysis. But I also did this analysis. Let me share with you guys this one. You can see it. After that, I said to guys, look for this big short. So we also had a, based on this one, we had a beautiful breakout short trade here. And most of traders bank amazing profit. And one of the traders already banked beautiful pips. You can see here 172 pips. I told you more than most of the paper traders made 100 plus pips. And he's still holding one short trade, which is pound dollar. And if I show you the open price, you can see here, this is the trade he executed, because system take the screenshot every time when you open a position and close position, because we train people with the live market, so we give them feedback on their trades just to make sure they understand it effectively. So this was the breakout as mentioned on the analysis. So he banked 35 pips and is still holding it. Let's see, and stop loss at the break even. All right, so dollar CAD, let's see the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a short trade here, and then we have a short trade here as soon as the price hit this level. And I explained to Meta, look, if you look at here, the price did not close below this level. And that's what I explained to Meta, if the price is gonna close below this level, then I'm expecting a short, otherwise I'm expecting a nice big move. So let's see, guys, in upcoming days we have a non-farm news is coming this week, so we'll see how that's gonna go. But let me share with you, we had a quite few interested. We also had this long trade yesterday, as you have seen in my yesterday analysis. We have taken all this long trade here. This was the trade, bank beautiful pips. And this was the analysis I did at the Asian session. I explained to Meta, look for this breakout, because the momentum was developed bearish, so we have this breakout. And when in London morning, I explained to Meta, just keep taking a pullback. We're only going to take a long if the price is going to break the recent high, otherwise stay short and keep taking a pullback. So we had a beautiful short trade. That was beautiful. After that, price developed this type of pattern, so we're still looking at pattern. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share with you the another beautiful trade. That was the pound yen and the euro yen. That was a beautiful trade. You can see here most of the yen trade, short trade here, bank 172 pips. Okay, so the best trade we had at pound yen, we had amazing trade. We have explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then long here, look at this candle. Yeah, this candle is also giving us the sign of rejection and price refuse. We have a short trade here. I said to guys, just keep taking a pullbacks. We had a beautiful pullbacks. We also had a long trade here. We also had a pullback here. And let me show you, let me share the intraday analysis just quickly. All right, guys, so you can see here from this morning, yeah, this morning we have this pretty straightforward breakout, long trade here, pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, price reverse, impulsive reverse, and explain to my trader, look, if the price gonna break, then long here, otherwise short here, but safest way, look for this breakout. Beautiful short trade here, then price came back here. As soon as the price developed another pattern, I broadcast information instantly because we are intraday trader. We have this breakout pullback short trade here, then we have another symmetry triangle pattern breakout long trade here. We have a sideways market develop here, breakout short trade here. And at the New York session, when the price reverse hit this level, price reverse, and I said to you guys, now you can see here, that's what I explained to trade. If the price is going to retest, then short trade here. If the price is going to develop false breaker, then long here. What happened here? Price retested here, pull back here, and pull back here. So first retest, second, third, fourth pullback, and that's why we have really enjoyed this trade, because the price broken this previous low. So now I'm expecting probably the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting, let's see how the market is going to do. All the yen pair, all the pair against the yen is going to fall. But as I said to you, my trader, trade what you see and not what you think. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and the banking profit in real time, and that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis and through live IG commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train traders, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.